Let us now solve the first profitability ratio, which is the gross profit margin. So what is the formula for the gross profit margin? Gross profit margin is equal to gross profit divided by the net sales. Net sales times 100. So why do we multiply it by 100? The gross profit margin is expressed in percentage. So that's the reason why. So the next step is how do we get the data, or where are we going to get the data for the gross profit and the net sales? So we get the data from the statement, the SCI, or the Statement of Comprehensive Income, otherwise known as the income statement. So for the gross profit, let's get the value. Gross profit is equal to 320,000. Well, the net sales is equal to net sales is equal to 850,000 divided by 850,000. Okay, times 100. So we get is equal to let's divide 320,000 divided by 850,000 is equal to 0.37 6470. Then multiply by 100. So we get, if we're going to get at least two decimal places, the answer will be 37.65%. Or in whole number, we get 38%. So this will be now our gross profit margin rate, which is equal to 37.65% to 38%, which means that 38% of the net sales is the gross profit. So what is the gross profit margin? It reports the peso value of the gross profit earned for every peso of sales. Now, just a reminder, be careful on how to get the net sales. Why? Because based on our given statement, based on the SCI, the sales is already on the net sales. But how do we really get the net sales? So if you have the gross sales. So this is just a reminder with a given value less there are discounts, sales discount, sales return, sales return, with a given value. Let's subtract. Then so the gross sales less less the sales discount less the sales return, we get the net sales. Okay, so to arrive at net sales, just follow this formula. Then to arrive at the net sales, that will be used for the formula for the gross profit margin. Let us now solve the second ratio, which is the operating income margin. The operating income margin is also expressed in percentage. So what will be the formula for operating income margin, which is equal to operating income divided by the net sales. Net sales multiplied by 100. So again, our basis will be the statement of comprehensive income. So let's substitution. Let's find the amount, operating income, which is equal to 150,000. Then for the net sales, we get 850,000. 150,000 multiplied by 100. Then let's divide 150,000 divided by 850,000 is equal to 0.176471 times 100. It is equal to, for two decimal places, we get 17.65%, or for whole number, so we get 18%. So this will be now our operating income margin, 17.65% or 18%. 18%, which means that 18% of the net sales is the operating income. And what is operating income margin? It measures the percentage of profit earned from each peso of sales in the company's business operation. Let's proceed with the third ratio under profitability ratio. The third one is the net profit margin, which is also expressed in percentage. So what will be the formula for the net profit margin? Net profit margin is equal to net income divided by the net sales. Net sales. Then multiply by 100. Okay, the next step will be the basis of the data, which is also again the statement of comprehensive income. So let's get the value. For the net income, we get 95,000. Then for the net sales, we get 850,000. 850,000. Then multiply by 100. So the next step will be dividing 95,000 divided by 850,000 is equal to 0.111765 multiplied by 100. If we're going to get at least two decimal places, so the answer will be 11.18%, or for a whole number, we get 11%. So this will be now our net profit margin, which means that 11% of the net sales is the net income. Now, what is a net profit margin? Net profit margin, this shows how much profit will go to the owner for every peso or sales made. Thank you for watching, and please comment below if you like to discuss some topics that will help you in your lesson. And do not also forget to subscribe, like, and share.